Hey everybody, guess what? That's right, my bass is back and it's more badass than ever. If you missed the first part of this video that we posted a few weeks ago, make sure you go check that out as we looked at this bass before I sent it out to get all the work done on it. I sent this bass out to get it rounded for EMG Soapbar pickups, and while it was there, the Luthier actually fixed another problem that'll alleviate ever having to remove the neck again. A truss rod adjustment port. For whatever reason, these old ESPs just didn't have a way to adjust the truss rod without removing the neck, but if you look at all the new ESP and E2 Amaze basses, all of them actually have this. It makes it much easier when you're trying to adjust the neck. I now have an EMG 40CS installed in the bridge, and I have an EMG 40DC installed in the neck. And since I'm a bass player, I made sure I kept my old strings so I can put them back on here. wait, I'm only partially joking. So I am putting my old strings back on this bass for right now, but I'm only doing it so no one can blame the string change for the sound improvement. Bass players, seriously though, change your fucking strings. Do it for Glenn Fricker. You may have noticed that I don't have any knobs on here yet, and that's because I decided to put in an EQ. This is an EMG BTC Control that I want to use because I want to try to get a little bit more out of these pickups. I've actually had this bass back for a while now because it seriously took a day for the work to get completed, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to play through a couple of things real quick, including our song Mystic Serpent. That way we can listen to the original bass, the new pickups, and then finally the new pickups, the new strings, and the new EQ. Let's take a listen.
That's what I do for it. The fixer. Spin the blood of love. Walks the writhing body. Under the tower in the wall.
Now to me, these pickups and EQ sound amazing, and that's why we've always gone with the EMG, because they never disappoint. Let us know what you think, and let us know what kind of stuff you're playing on. And finally, we hope you're listening to and enjoying our metal suggestions, and now that we've done a few of these videos, We actually have a Spotify and an Apple playlist that we'll share in the description below. Today's metal suggestion comes all the way from Germany. Check out Stellar Master Elite's album 2, Destructive Interference Generator, and let us know what you think. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming, so make sure you turn on those notifications. Have a great week. I'm out of here.